Hello everyone. Welcome to the Crafty Cauldron. Welcome back if you're a previous subscriber, and welcome to all new subscribers. You guys are awesome. Um, this is Bernard. Hi Bernard. Say hi Bernard. He says hi. This is Bernard. If you follow my Instagram, you'll know what I mean. He's going to be my assistant for a little while. So I'm going to put him aside because I have happy mail to show you. So, this happy mail is from Jeanne at Inky Studio. What happened was I was watching her videos. I'm a subscriber to her channel on YouTube, and I was listening to her tutorials and stuff like that, and I realized that she kept saying that she was like running low on stuff. So I sent her a little bit of a care package, and she sent me one back. It was totally unexpected. I did not even consider that I would get something back. I was just sending her stuff because I wanted to send her stuff. Anyway, so here it is. I'm going to take it out of the box. There is some cool stuff in here. I know some of it is from her Etsy store. I will put a link below. And some of it is from her stash, which mine was from my stash. My Etsy store doesn't have a whole lot in it yet because I'm just starting out, but I'm working on it. So I'm going to put this aside. Box hits the floor. And I'm going to show you this really cool, awesome stuff that she sent to me because it's gorgeous. I did open most of it up just to make sure, you know, everything was okay and what there was. This is a bunch of the coolest, it looks like wallpaper. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Veggies. This is just amazing. I love flowers. Flowers are my deal. Flowers and herbs. And then more wallpaper. This is absolutely gorgeous. Lilac, it looks like. And leaves. Oh, and look at this. I don't know if you guys can see this, but let me stick that aside real quick. This has texture to it. This is really amazing. How beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow, Jeanne. This is amazing. I especially like that one. That's really beautiful. My colors too. I love fall. I'm an autumn girl. So, what's this in here? This is paper. And I don't know if any of you guys know this. Probably not. I'm a paperaholic. I love all kinds of different papers. When I do my journals, I haven't used a full kit yet. I use elements from other places, and I barely ever use kits except for like collage papers and stuff like that. She did send me this really cool card, which will be repurposed because I also love keys. So, yeah, it's really sweet. A sweet note. I wish I could go shopping specifically for you. Oh, that is so sweet. Yeah, I wish I could go shopping specifically for you and other people as well. Blessings, Jeanne. Oh, that's so sweet. That's so sweet. I love that card. Anyway, this paper is freaking amazing. And it's got the little shiny stuff on it. So it's kind of like, you know, it's got the pattern and then it's got the shiny over the top that is like an echo of the pattern in the paper. So, except this one. This one's got like a flourish on top of these letters, which is awesomely cool. And the colors, I don't know where she got this paper, but it is really beautiful. This is right up my alley. Oh, I missed one. So cool. And paisley, this looks like old-fashioned wallpaper. And it's really thick paper, too. It feels like it might be from wallpaper. I don't know. But yeah, there's like all kinds of cool stuff in here. Oh, and script is awesome. Love that. Oh my god. And spots. Leopard spots. Those are so cool. Oh my god. I didn't see this. Ephemera's Vintage Garden. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at that. Look at those beautiful colors. Holy cannoli. Wow. Jeanne. Amazing. And this bag has a variety of stuff. And I know it crinkles, so I'm just gonna take it out of the bag. Okay, so there's this paper, a collection of glimpses by Signify Pink. Oh, cool, solid, and it's double-sided. Oh, way cool. Look at that. Very, very nice. 1906 Bunko game. And I think she has these in her shop. So you guys, check her shop out. Link below. Link. Oh, these are cool. Awesome. What's this? Little typhoon. Oh, these are cool. What is this? Oh, these are the real deal too. Look at that. They've got all kinds of bends and stains, and I love that. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Those are so neat. I know exactly where I can use some of those right now. Very nice. Oh my gosh. And then look at these little bags. These bags are cool and totally reusable, as is the washi tape. And everything gets reused. I don't throw much away. I throw little scraps of paper away, but if I think I can use it, I save it. I need a little sheet protector thing so I can put my washi tape on it. Oh, look at how cute these are. Little glassine bags. I bet these are in her shop too. How neat. Oh my god, those make super cool pockets. Playing cards with different backs. Oh my god, oh, look at how pretty. Flowers. All kind. Oh, neat. Ah, oh, I know I can use that one too. I've got plans for something for that. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's cool. Ooh, I got plans for those too because I'm just getting ready to make something that those will fit in. Ah, secrets. Rolodex cards. These are awesome. So many uses for those. And burlap hearts. Oh, cool. I don't have anything like this. I don't have anything like a lot of this. These are neat. I like those. You ever worn a burlap shirt? I did it as a joke once. It made me sneeze for 2 days. These are cool. Awesome pockets. And boy, you could coffee stain those like crazy. Or watercolor stain, all kinds of pigment stain. Oh my god, these are awesome. Thank you, Jeanne. Oh my god. Wow. I hope I didn't miss anything down in there. There's so many tiny things. Let's put those aside for now. Over there. And then, oh, look at that. It's already made into a pocket. Oh, it's a die cut. I love these. I love these things. You know how hard it is to cut those out? That's what I've been doing. Those are cool. More glassine. Oh, they're envelopes. Envelopes! Ah, I love envelopes. I know. I keep saying I love this. I love that. I really do. More damask bags. Oh, the pattern. I love this. Look at all of these. Jeanne, my gosh, you're more than generous. Look at all these that I can use. Jeanne, thank you. These are beautiful. Oh, and these little, oh, yay. Look at that. These are so awesome. Those make you can make little pockets. You can put them in a big journal. Oh my god. And stuff them full of stuff. Absolutely. Very cool. Oop, I should go like this though. Oop, come on now. Here we go. Oh, there's two. Yay. Oh, these are awesome. Listen. That sounds cool. I love the sound of that crackly stuff. These are beautiful. I love that dark color. Wow. Oh, Coca-Cola stuff. Oh, that looks like wallpaper too. Yeah, it feels like wallpaper. Very nice. Very vintagey. Oh, wow. Oh, so cool. Oh, wait, look. Thin pieces of, cork with patterns on them. Oh, those are neat. Look at how pliable they are. Woo. beautiful. And then this is, oh, burlap paper. Oh, nice. You know what I think I'll do? I think I'll put these corks in between the burlaps. Oh my God. Oh, this is really cool. Look at that fabric. Oh, it says love, love. Oh, and in that would be French, I believe. Very nice, and it feels like it's cotton. Look at that fraying. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, so cool. So cool. So cool, Jeanne. Oh my God. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, and this is, oh no, this is like upholstery. Oh, that's gonna make, oh, perfect. Oh yeah, this is gonna be perfect for something I already have in mind that I didn't know what kind of cover was gonna go on it yet. Very nice. It's got a little gold in it. I don't know if you guys can get that on the camera. It's got a little gold sparkle around those little leaf-shaped things. Well, all around everything, really. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, yay. These are neat. Ooh, music sheets. Oh, and that's fabric too. That's feels like cotton too. Oh, these are far out. Groovy. Oh my God, look at that. So nice. So nice. Oh my God, Route 66 fabric. Oh, that's so cool. Ha! Oatman. I've been there. How funny. I've been there, Bullhead City. Everybody's been to Lake Havasu, but yeah, I've been there. Kingman. See, this is all in Arizona too. The other part, the other places aren't necessarily, but in Lake Havasu City. Very cool. Oh my gosh. And what is this? This is, oh, they're envelopes. Oh, these are on, oh, this paper's delicious. Wow. That just feels really good. Those are huge. And there's brown ones too. These are really cool. These are just really, really cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, Jeanne. Oh my gosh. All these ideas are flying through my brain. Flying through my brain. And time card. Yep. Time cards. Oh, way cool. Look at all that journaling space. That makes really interesting journaling space. You can put little notes like a day book or something. Very nice. Oh, so generous of you. A bingo card. I don't have any bingo cards. That's cool. And tags. Big tags. I like big tags. Flashcard. Oh, neat. And they're the real deal with the little corner cut off, too. I love those. I remember... Oh, did I just age myself? I dated myself. I remember using those with the answers on the back for the other side. How much is that? Yeah, I remember using those with my kids because I saved a deck of old ones, and then when I moved, kept moving, and they got thrown out. Oh, postcards, and then you can put your own stuff on the other side. Look at that. Blank and postcard. Very nice. Very nice. What is, oh, these are pretty. I like that they're narrow. That's really useful. Oh, those are gorgeous. They look like a watercolor painting. Little paper bags. Oh, sweet. These make neat pockets for these long tags. Let me see if they'll fit. I know I'm already thinking, huh? Oh yeah, they'll fit. Look at that. Make yourself a tag and a pocket. Ta-da! Look at that, all ready to go. Very nice, very nice. Let's put these in here like that. It says, printed some of the digitals I have on file, fun for collage. Oh, these are super cool. Oh, look at that. Oh, Dominoes. Oh, cool. There's a skull in there too. These are look, they're cut out like file folders. Oh, those are neat. Artie Mays. I think I have that too, the Artie Mays one, but I like this paper. I don't have any paper like that these are printed on. I don't know what kind of paper that is, but it's really nice. All the colors are just so bright, so vibrant. Oh, oh, ew, ew. Little tags. Oh, yes. Love junk journals. Yay. Very nice. Holy moly. Oh, stamps. Love that. Oh, I have this one too, but I don't have it on this paper. Wow, that printed up really nice on this paper. That is gorgeous. Ooh, fussy cutting. I'm going to be fussy cutting for a little bit. Oh, and look at these. This is so cool. Some lace, crocheted lace, trim. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at that. I just made myself a cuff. And then this is a little, it's like a keeper. What are those called? Look at that. How cool is that? All these here, I can just like hang that up. I can hang that up on a wall or a hook or something, and then just go through it and snip off snips when I want to use them. Ooh, this one's gorgeous. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. And buttons on burlap. All I'd have to do is snip those off and stick them on a frame a little bit and stick them on a cluster. That's neat. Oh, and look at all these neat fabrics. Ha! Wow. Oh, I love scripty stuff. Ooh, very cool. I don't know where you got these fabrics, but these are awesome. Music. And then you can use the card that they're on if you ever get that far. Very nice, Jeanne. Oh my God, thank you so much. This is so amazing. I'm just starting out. I've only been doing junk journals for like 8 months, and I don't really have a whole lot yet. So this is like, what a treat. Look at all these treasures. Oh my God, thank you so much, Jeanne. You're more than generous. And I appreciate this from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. These are just amazing. Okay, you guys, go visit Jeanne's store. She makes not only junk journals, folios, and things like that, and sells some really nice supplies. She also makes like lanyards and doggy collars, but they're not your regular doggy collars. They're like tuxedos and stuff like that, real classy stuff. It's really cool, you guys. Go see her store. Link below. And I want to say, everybody, I hope you all are all safe and well. And thank you, everyone who's subscribed to my channel. Thanks for sticking with me if you've been here for a while, and thank you, new subscribers. Again, thank you all. Peace, love. Remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Make it a happy and crafty and colorful one. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you soon in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.